Alright guys, today we're doing a review of these Jane's pub style wings. These ones were on sale. They're not as big as the M&M meat ones that I've done the review on. So here's the front. Here's the side panel. Here with the ingredients. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. And nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. So this is what's in the bag. It's actually not that many in there, as you can see. But it does come with the sauce by itself. Yeah, which is kind of neat. So I'll cook that up and do a quick taste test for you. So stay tuned, guys. Today we're doing a review of these Jane's barbecue styled wings. These are on sale. These are a lot smaller than the M&M meat ones, but they're on sale. So here is the nutrient panel. If you want to read it, pause the video. Here's the ingredients. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, so here is the barbecue one. It does come with the sauce separated. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. I'll do a quick review, and I don't even know if I would actually use the sauce on them. So because then you get rid of a lot of the junk that's found in the sauce, like the sugars and stuff. So anyways, see more videos, guys. Alright guys, so here are the Jane's wings. This is the honey garlic. They're all the same. I just noticed that the honey garlic barbecue is all the same. It's the sauce that they package with it is different. I tasted the sauces. I'm not a big fan of the sauces. They're really sweet, so I'm actually gonna eat it without. And this is actually really tasty even without the sauce. So yeah. So let me give you guys a taste test here. So there's a breading around it, but crispy. So when you put the sauce on it, it's not crispy anymore. So that's why I choose not to eat the sauce with it as well. So all right, it's actually pretty good. It's seasoned well. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.